how to play Spotify music while playing YouTube on mobile. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can play Spotify music while playing YouTube videos on mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is to open up my Spotify. And here, example, I wanna play a music that I want. Actually, I won't play any music so that you can hear me talking and we can avoid the copyright music. Just imagine the music is now playing. Then if you now play the music on your Spotify, we can go to YouTube. Example, I'm gonna play a random video. This one. Let me post this thing first. So when you try to play this YouTube video here, the Spotify music will automatically pause. But if you play the Spotify music, the YouTube video will pause too. Basically, you can't play them at the same time. If you play the music, the other one will pause. I hope you get it. But if you wanna do this, you can use PC or desktop. By there, you can play them both at the same time. And that's how to play Spotify music while playing YouTube. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.